In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use WordPress as a headless CMS in just 5 minutes. This is a fantastic way to leverage the power and flexibility of WordPress while integrating it with the front-end technology of your choice. So let's dive right in. First, head over to wordpress.com. It's your go-to place for everything you'll need to build and customize your website. If you're not already there, a simple search in your browser will get you to the WordPress homepage quickly. Once you're there, the next step is to click on the Login button. You should see this button neatly tucked away at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and enter your credentials to access your WordPress account. If this is your first time using WordPress, you'll need to sign up and create an account. Once you've logged in, you'll find yourself at the WordPress dashboard, which is essentially your command center. It's packed with tools and options that will help you to manage your site efficiently. Now, to use WordPress as a headless CMS, we're going to focus on the plugin capabilities it offers. Locate the Plugins section on the left sidebar of your dashboard and give it a click. This section of the dashboard is vital since it allows you to extend WordPress by adding various functionalities. In the Plugins section, you'll see the Add Plugin option. Click on this button to start the process of adding new features to your WordPress site. We're going to search for a plugin called Advanced Custom Fields. It's a powerful tool that's going to give you more control over your content structure and make managing it a breeze. In the search bar, type in Advanced Custom Fields and wait for it to show up in the results. After you see the plugin pop up, click on the Advanced Custom Fields title. This will take you to a detailed overview where you'll find more specifics about what this plugin offers. Make sure that you're selecting the right plugin by reviewing its description and user ratings if you wish to know more about it beforehand. Now it's time to install and activate this plugin, which is a straightforward process. You'll notice the Install and Activate button displayed prominently on the plugin's overview page. Click on it to start installation. WordPress will take a few moments to do its magic, so be patient. Once it's activated, you'll be set up with Advanced Custom Fields, ready to transform your WordPress site into a versatile, headless CMS. And there you have it. With these steps, you've just unlocked the power of using WordPress as a headless CMS. You're now free to custom design your site's front end while effortlessly managing content with WordPress on the back end. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.